Hello everybody, quick video today. We're doing some sanding, drywall sanding, and today I'm gonna show you all the equipment that I'm using for sanding. Let's get started. All right, so here's my equipment. All right, let's start over here. We got the DeWalt sander, and on the end of it, it's just a mesh here. This one is 220 grit, and this is a, it spins and does a really nice job of sanding. So that's tool number one. Another tool is the kind of multi-tool here at the end. I've attached this triangular attachment, and you can also attach sandpaper here. Again, this is 220 because we're doing final coat. But again, if you just first put the mud, I would do 120 first and then move to 220 or 240. So that's tool number two. We've got the standard kind of handle here that attaches, again, these sheets here of mesh. Again, we're using 220 today, but after the first coat, I would use 120. And then you just go up and down, usually on an angle, and sand it that way. The big tool over here is really handy if you're doing a lot. So this one here, you attach the 9-inch sandpaper here, and it can also vacuum, so it can suck out the dust, and you can attach on this end, you can attach a vacuum, and you simply turn it on. It just uses a battery, so it's cordless. And this disc spins and does sanding very quickly. For big room, you can do it very quickly. Now it attaches to any shop vac here. For mine, I had to get an attachment, this universal adapter. It barely fit on I had to sand it a little bit here just to get it on. But you'll have to kind of figure out your system, but this just plugs into the sander. A really nice tool to have. Then we got these sponges here. Again, different grit. This is 60. We got 120, 180, 220. We'll be using 220 today mostly. But this is really nice for small areas, so maybe around the outlet, maybe in the corners, maybe around the windows when you kind of have to go in the corners there. So you'll probably need some sponges. Then we've got this one here. This is, with drywall mod, you can technically just use a sponge. So you just put it in the water and put it on the wall, and using this side, just kind of gently brush it along the mud. It will make the mud softer, and that's another way to sand it, is to make the mud soft again. Not really using this too much, but just wanted to highlight the method. That's another way to sand. And then some safety equipment. Just got my 3M mask. You can also get the fancy respirators. They do a better job. And then I got my goggles here that just protect the eyes, and they cover the whole kind of eyes, so nothing gets into them. Well, that is it. That's my sanding equipment to sand the drywall. If you have any other methods that you're using, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to kind of learn about it. And if you have any questions, also let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.